How to automatically delete location history on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to Google Maps. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile. Click on it and click on the second option right here. Click on your profile again and click on edit profile. Now click on profile and privacy settings. It will take you to this page. Scroll until you find automatically delete location history option. Click on it and now you can manage the settings right here. For example, auto delete activity older than 18 months or less as you want. It's very easy as you can see, and after you finish, click next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.